Hi, I'm Sheeta Tahiri and I'm a registered oral health therapist and dental hygienist, and I'm a big fan of Dr. Mark's HyGenie. The HyGenie device is very easy and super safe to use every day for cleaning and caring for your dental appliances, whether that be a denture, a mouth guard, a night guard, or clear aligners. Let me show you how easy it is. Now hold the bottom, twist the top handle until you hear the click and lift it off. And nestle your dental appliance into the bottom cluster of brushes. Close the HyGenie by placing the white top handle and rotate until you hear it click. And now it's closed. A few drops of Dental Fresh. And a splash of water. Now you can clean with the bottom, or the top wash, or the multi-wash. And 30 or 45 seconds is all you need for cleaning. Now rinse. And that's it. With Dr. Mark's products, cleaning your dental appliance has never been easier.